In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could factory reset a MacBook Air 2020. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process works very similar to resetting an iPhone, so if you've ever done that before, this is going to feel super familiar, but what you're going to want to do is begin by going to the top left corner of your MacBook, select this little Apple icon right here, and then select System Settings. Once you're on your System Settings, it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Select General and scroll down to the very bottom, where you're going to want to select Transfer or Reset. Select this, hit Erase All Content and Settings, and it's going to ask you to enter in your password. Go ahead and do that to continue, and after that, you'll be on a screen essentially explaining that all of your settings, all your media, your apps, your data are all going to be removed from this Mac. Just take a second to review everything listed just so you know exactly what's being erased, and whenever you're ready, hit continue down and follow the on-screen prompts. Your MacBook Air 2020 will now begin the factory reset process automatically, and it really is as simple as that. That is how you could factory reset a MacBook Air 2020 here in 2026 and future years as well. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.